Big news: XRP won the SEC in court today. Bitcoin lost $2,000 in just a few hours. XRP is no exception, which has fallen by 20% over the past few days. But XP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on the support of the US presidential administration. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. The Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, has repeatedly expressed its concern about spot funds traded on the Bitcoin exchange. In fact, the chairman believes that there is no infrastructure designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative actions and practices. According to the agency, this will not serve the intention of the SEC to protect investors and public interests. In a recent interview with Fox Business, Gensler reiterated his point of view, given the growing regulatory uncertainty. Moreover, various applicants or funds, including Grayscale, VanEck, etc., do not meet the requirements of regulatory authorities. This time Gensler confirmed his position, stating, "I keep saying, work with the SEC, register in accordance with securities laws. It's weighted by probability, but you have 75, 500, or 1,000 tokens on your platform. It is unlikely that none of them is a security guard. In order for a Bitcoin ETF to win the day, its issuer must enter into what the SEC calls a joint surveillance agreement with another large compliance-focused market where the asset is traded. Bitcoin futures trading on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange appears to fit this pattern. According to Gensler, CME has had a regulated market since 2017. On the contrary, the latter clearly does not quite have a framework for underwriting. Having said that, various critics of the BTC Futures ETF have pointed out the possibility of using them for pricing unlike spot Bitcoin. This can lead to a decrease in performance. Futures, as a rule, are traded at a premium to the underlying asset, although they can also be traded at a discount. SEC versus Ripple. The SEC pursued Ripple over allegations that XRP is an unregistered security. On the contrary, Ethereum was given the green light by regulatory authorities, and now ETH is considered not a security. When asked about this in the aforementioned interview, Gensler declined to comment in detail. However, he said that the conceptual basis was the public investment of money awaiting profit at the expense of the efforts of others. He added, "Raising money from the public issue is the main transaction of full and fair disclosure of information and protection against fraud. And you register with a government agency called the Securities and Exchange Commission, and that's really what we're trying to do, help continue this basic transaction." The SEC chairman added, "We are technologically neutral if people want to invest or speculate in this area. Then these tokens and, most importantly, the platforms to which trading and credit platforms come are registered, they do it within the framework of the law, without trying to circumvent the law." Various Twitter users are unhappy with these responses. For example, Liz Hoffman, executive director of the Wall Street Journal, believes that Gensler casts a shadow on crypto companies. Ripple Labs has been embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC, which seems to be taking over. Ripple has won several small victories in a case that could help it prove that, contrary to the SEC's claims, its cryptocurrency XRP is not a security. Be that as it may, all this may be crossed out by the expected White House report in the coming months. Fox Business journalists Charles Gasparino and Eleanor Terrett reported in a recent tweet that their sources close to the SEC case against Ripple believed that the expected White House report on cryptocurrency could classify XRP as a security. These sources believe that the SEC may delay the case to stretch it out until this summer, when a White House report on cryptocurrency is expected. Although the details of this report are unknown, the cryptocurrency market is awaiting an executive order from the White House this month. Last month, the Biden-led government announced plans to issue an executive order on cryptocurrency as a national security issue. The new development was met with doubt by the XRP community. Community members who actively followed the case wondered if it was possible for an executive order to overturn the current court case. XRP supporter and YouTuber Mickey B. Fresh said that due to the system of checks and balances of the three branches of government, the decision of the executive branch is unlikely to affect the court case. Twitter user TAIGXRP intervened, pointing out that the White House does not have the authority to classify XRP as a security in the midst of ongoing litigation, or does not have the right at all. In the last few weeks, the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC has gained momentum. Several key decisions were made on the petition submitted by both sides. The last motion on which a decision was made was rejected in Ripple's motion to close certain documents from the public. The court ruled that the document, which contains messages from Ripple executives to third parties, should be made public. Earlier, the court ruled that the SEC had to abandon the listed documents in order not to disclose them due to the privilege of the deliberative process, DPP. Ripple has visibly demonstrated resilience in the face of regulatory pressure. At the end of last month, the fintech company announced a share buyback during a Series C financing round in 2019, which failed. With a $200 million buyout, Ripple's valuation jumped to $15 billion. Ripple is one of the altcoins that has relatively well established itself in the cryptocurrency space. The price-quality ratio and the general trend in the protocol ecosystem have made this cryptocurrency one of the best options for long-term and short-term investments. Currently, Ripple is ranked 6th in the CoinMarketCap ranking, as its market capitalization exceeds $40 billion. Due to the recent case with the SEC and Ripple, some members of the XRP community have some tension regarding possible actions that can be expected. This is after opening 3 different documents established by the judge. However, John Deaton, a cryptocurrency lawyer representing more than 64,000 XRP holders, offered some opportunities to calm the situation. First, he explained that the SEC would probably take 2 possible steps. Of the new evidence, there is the inclusion of an email thread and notifications about the testimony of Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. In addition, the evidence contains the line of Chris Larsen, one of the leaders of Ripple. According to Deaton's proposal, it is almost impossible to prove a link between Ripple's public statements and the price of XRP. Moreover, he mentioned that the SEC will have to confirm the sale of XRP tokens by Garlinghouse and Larsen in the USA. In addition, the lawyer pondered whether the SEC could declare the creation of a Ripple secondary market for XRP. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740 million. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.